No. Welcome back in Portugal at the Just Sawdust workshop. You were not thinking that I would go and cut this all the way through with this Japanese saw that I acquired on eBay. It's not as sharp as they promised, but well, it works. But hey, I've got power tools, so although I planed everything by hand, because I wanted to try whether I could get a square block just from old firewood just by hand planes, and I managed that. Although I do have a planer now, but I'm going to use that later in the process. No, I'm gonna cut it on the table saw. I think that's a better idea. Cut them, but the minute I did cut them, they were like really nice and flat. We're a day later now, and when I came back, this one is still flat. This one already wobbles, and this one wobbles a lot. So yes, I can plane them again until they're flat. But I'm gonna use that for another project, because the little project I want to make, well, should be ready soon, and I don't have time to wait for this wood to dry even further. But I'm gonna stack them somewhere, and when they're completely dry I can plane them straight. So I made a little experiment in SketchUp for the first time, and little pictures are showing here or there, and that's what I'm going to try to make. And I've got some bamboo left over, so I think I'm going to take that out of the storage and see if I can make that little project out of that. This is just needs to dry more, and well, we'll see. about a zero plate insert here, because that's pretty dangerous when this goes wrong. But luckily nothing happened, so
it's ready. A little traveling box for certain items. I found these nice little handles in the local DIY store, and I thought they would fit, so you can carry it like this. And the solution I came up with to close it is that there are 2 magnets and 2 pins in the doors which go into the magnets here, and that's why you can lift it, and as soon as you got the doors open you can open this. It was made for this little jar that has to go in there and some other items, but this was the main little thing that should go in there. And now you can close it and open, and maybe there's going to be a little mirror here or something. And well, if you close it you can lift it. Now bamboo wasn't the easiest stuff to work with, but in the end I managed, because this was all I had on bamboo, so I couldn't make any mistakes, and although I did. But yeah, that's my little traveling case made, all from reclaimed bamboo. I would say do some woodworking, it's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, it's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. At the local.